Superman movie releasing last month, we're officially in movie blockbuster season. But summer isn't just a big time for the movies. It's prime time for your tire shop too. Road trips, higher temperatures, and longer drives all put added stress on tires and, in turn, TPMS systems. In this video, we dive into how to take advantage of summer TPMS service so you can be a superhero in your customers' eyes. TPMS systems alert drivers only after a 25% loss in tire pressure. That means tires could already be dangerously underinflated by the time the light comes on. Even a small drop of just 5 to 10% can reduce tire life, increase braking distance, and affect vehicle control. Summer heat compounds that problem. As rubber meets the extra hot pavement, underinflated tires wear faster, generate excess friction, and create more heat. Encourage customers to check their tire pressure regularly, especially during the summer, and make sure your shop checks the pressure no matter what service you're providing. Like Superman using X-ray vision, your TPMS service pricing should be transparent. Explain what's included and why it matters. Keep in mind, customers are far less likely to push back when they understand what they're paying for and how it helps keep them safe. Because summer is such a busy season, your whole team should do their best to stay up to date on TPMS knowledge. Service advisors and techs alike need to understand and explain why TPMS matters, not just when a sensor fails, but during every seasonal inspection. Summer is the perfect time to market preventative TPMS service as well. Use text campaigns, direct mail, and digital ads to highlight its value. Bottom line, do your best to ensure TPMS summer service is part of your core messaging when chatting with customers about summer travel and safety. Superman might save the world on screen, but your whole shop's team can protect your customers in real life on the road. By educating drivers about the benefits of TPMS summer service, you'll build trust, boost revenue, and become the superhero your customers didn't know they needed. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.